Always running out of battery when you need your phone the most? Or tired of those cheap car chargers that charge slowly or stop working after a few weeks? Well, that ends today. Introducing the Anker PowerPort 2 alloy car charger, a compact yet powerful dual-port charger. It provides fast charging for your smartphone, tablet, or GPS while on the road. Sleek, durable, and efficient, it keeps your devices powered without overheating, making it perfect for daily commutes or long trips. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Anker PowerPort 2 alloy car charger, user manual, warranty card, specifications. Installation. Start by locating your vehicle's 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, usually found near the center console or under the dashboard. Make sure the socket is free of dust or debris for a secure connection. Next, insert the car charger directly into the socket until it fits properly. The indicator light on the charger will turn on, confirming it's receiving power. How to connect. Connect your device's USB charging cable into one of the charger's ports, whether USB-A or USB-C, depending on your model. Plug the other end of the cable into your smartphone, tablet, GPS, or other device. Once connected, your device should begin charging instantly. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.